I take this opportunity to welcome and wish all the best to all the aspirants. I am Dr. Swapnali Kulkarni, working as a faculty of marketing management. Under the well-known Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust, we run SB Patil Institute of Management (SBPIM) and Pune Business School (PBS). We are committed to maintaining an educational experience for students which combines the best features of new technologies with those of an interactive learning environment to meet the learning needs of diverse student fraternity. 3-4 decades ago, the managers were produced in the B School for public sector enterprises, some private sectors and family-run businesses. The demand for professional management education was less, but today the scenario has changed entirely. We see many companies recruit professional managers, people with certain skill set. These managers will have to deal with dynamic world, competitive environment, new products, new ideas, volatile markets and also global linkages. We at SBPIM and PBS emphasize on basic theory, basic ideas which everybody should understand. I find this very surprising that many aspirants place more weightage on factors like rankings, career center offerings, location, infrastructure and many other factors, and in fact teaching style is often one of the last things applicants focus on. I think it should be given more weightage, as it is not only directly affects the enjoyment of 2 years investment, but the quality of knowledge that the aspirants walk away with. Some top tier programs has a different style of teaching, learning and evaluation. Some B schools concentrate almost entirely on one style, while others employ a mixture. I am very happy to share that with the help of our seasoned professors, we ensure that the students can thrive and feel comfortable in completing the course. In PBS PGDM, we have generic courses in semester 1 and specialization courses along with the generic courses in semester 2, 3 and 4. During the program, along with the varied courses, emphasis is given on conducting foundation, certification and elective courses. The students also have the privilege to select major and minor specializations. During the course, the teaching strategies would translate to your real world experiences post the course. Case study approach, lecture-based approach and experiential learning approach are used as the pedagogic techniques. In case study method, the lively class discussions with varied point of views which is shared in front of large groups. This helps the students to boost their confidence. In lecture method, along with the traditional lectures, now as the time requires, we also have online lectures which are used which is the best way to concretely teach students the business concepts and theories which are useful when back in the workforce. We have qualified and experienced faculties to deliver these lectures. In experiential approach, we encourage students by doing. We ensure that our students have industry-focused immersion experiences, conferences, case competitions, entrepreneurial opportunities and many more. We at SBPIM and PBS believe that the quality of the education is assured by its givers. We ensure in adopting strategic planning, content delivery and comprehensive evaluation. In order to maintain the quality, we assure curriculum of high quality, faculty for quality teaching, library for quality research, administrative setup for quality support, managerial system for providing quality culture, and also the physical infrastructure of high standard for effective functioning of academic processes. During the 2-year span, we assure to provide our students with significant academic and personal support to complement their educational and social experience. The students are offered support during their studies, including mentoring, workshops, difficulty solving sessions, guidance in selecting specialization, dedicated placement support, and institute industry linkages. The institute also focuses not only on curricular aspects but also on co-curricular and extracurricular aspects to imbibe in all the skill sets required to be a successful professional. I once again wish you all the success for your future endeavor. In case of any query, please feel free to contact us at www.punabusinessschool.com. Thank you.